Bandwidth will be A, B, B, C, dB. The correct answer is A. In carbon resistor color code, the fourth band indicates tolerance. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. For any given two-port network, any parameter set can be determined from measurements made at the two ports. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. For 200 V r.m.s value triangular wave, the peak voltage will be A 200 V, B 222 V, C 280 V, D 346 V. The correct answer is 346 V. According to initial value theorem, which one is correct? A 14, B 23, C 42, D 12. The correct answer is 12. A two-terminal black box contains one of the elements RLC. The black box is connected to 220 V as supply. The current is I when a capacitance of 0.1 F is connected in series between the source and box. The current is 2I. The elements is A resistance, B inductance, C capacitance of 0.5 F. D not identifiable from the given data. The correct answer is inductance. If Zs is positive real, then where K has only positive real values is also positive real. This hypothesis was first given by A. O'Brien, B. R. Richards, C. Bott and Duffin, D. P. S. Laplace. The correct answer is R. Richards. For a voltage transfer function Hs realizable by RLC network, the following statements are made. A3 and 4 are correct. B2 and 4 are correct. C1 and 2 are correct. D1 and 3 are correct. The correct answer is 3 and 4 are correct. In figure, the effective resistance faced by voltage source is A1, B2, C3, D3.3. The correct answer is 2. A two-port network is symmetrical if A Z11 Z12 Z12 Z21 1, B A D B C1, C H11 H22 H12 H41 1, D Y11 Y22 Y12 Y21 1. The correct answer is H11 H22 H12 H41 1. In a varistor, as the voltage increases beyond a certain value, its resistance A rapidly increases, B rapidly decreases, C becomes negative, i.e. varistor goes into negative resistance region, D none of these. The correct answer is rapidly decreases. Current through a charging capacitor exhibits A an exponential growth function, B an exponential decay function, C a step decay function, D a linear decay function. The correct answer is a step decay function. A battery charger can drive a current of 5A with one resistance connected at its output. If it can charge 2V battery at 7 a rate, its Thevenins equivalent circuit will be A 7.5 in series with 0.5 resistance, B 1.25 V in series with 1.5 resistance, C 7.5 V in parallel with 0.5 resistance, D 12.5 V in parallel with 1.5 resistance. The correct answer is 7.5 in series with 0.5 resistance. For the given circuit, the current I is A2A, B5A, C7A, D8A. The correct answer is 7A. Two coils are so wound that 60 of the flux of one links the other. The coefficient of coupling is A 1.67, B 0.6, C 0.36, D 0.216. The correct answer is 0.6. In the graph of figure, the total number of trees is A4, B5, C6, D8. The correct answer is 8. In a sine wave, maximum rate of change of voltage occurs at A. Ascent of the waveform, B. VE maximum, C. VE maximum, D. between maximum and minimum. The correct answer is between maximum and minimum. Which of the following statements is incorrect? A. A mesh with two resistors has two mesh currents. B. The algebraic sum of all voltages around any mesh or any loop must be 0. C. The principal node is a function where branch current can divide or combine. D. A Norton is a series circuit. The correct answer is the principal node is a function where branch current can divide or combine. Hysteresis loss is proportional to AF and B 1.6 m, BF and BM, CF2 and BM, DF2 and B2 m. The correct answer is F and B 1.6 m. When a lead-acid battery is fully charged, the colors of its positive and negative plates are A. Gray and dark brown, B. Dark gray and brown, C. Gray and brown, D. Dark brown and gray. The correct answer is dark brown and gray. Two independence parameters Z11 and Z12 of the two-port network in the figure are A. Z11 2.75 and Z12 0.25, B. Z11 3 and Z12 0.5, C. Z11 3 and Z12 0.25, D. Z11 2.25 and Z12 0.5. The correct answer is Z11 2.75 and Z12 0.25. Network transients are due to A. Circuit resistance, B. Circuit voltage, C. Changes in energy stored in L and C, D. Circuit admittance. The correct answer is changes in energy stored in L and C. The Laplace transform of it is given by as t. The value of it tends to A0, B2, C1, D. The correct answer is 2. In a loss-free RLC circuit, the transient current is A. Oscillating, B. Square wave, C. Sinusoidal, D. Non-oscillating. The correct answer is sinusoidal. If Fs, then Ft. A. Cos 0t, B. Sin 0t, C. E at cos 0t, D. E at cos 0t. The correct answer is E at cos 0t. In the network of figure, it is desired that maximum power be supplied to Z2. The values of Z1 and Z2 are fixed. However, the transformation ratio of transformer can be changed. The value of A for maximum power transfer is A. Z2 Z1, B. Z2 Z1 0.5, C. Z2 Z1 2, D. Z2 Z1 0.75. The correct answer is Z2 Z1 0.5. The magnitude response of a normalized Butterworth low-pass filter is A. Linear starting with value of unity at 0 frequency and 0.707 at cutoff frequency. B. Non-linear all through but with values of unity at 0 frequency and 0.707 at cutoff frequency. C. Linear up to cutoff frequency and non-linear thereafter. D. Non-linear up to cutoff frequency and linear thereafter. The correct answer is linear starting with value of unity at 0 frequency and 0.707 at cutoff frequency. In steady state condition, inductor behave as A. Open circuit, B. Short circuit, C. Current source, D. Voltage source. The correct answer is short circuit. For ideal performance, a filter should be terminated in characteristic impedance. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. For a symmetrical network, A. H11 H22, B. H12 H21, C. H11 H22 H12 H21 0, D. H11 H22 H12 H21 1. The correct answer is H11 H22 H12 H21 1. The time constant of a series RC circuit is given by A. RC, B. RC2, C. RC, D. R2C. The correct answer is RC. The function is an A. LC function, B. RC function, C. RL function, D. LC or RC function. The correct answer is LC function. If LFTFS LFTT, AESTFS, BESTFS, CFSEST, DFSEST. The correct answer is ESTFS. Paper capacitors are used in power supplies for filtering. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. The transfer function of a system is given by Hs1 S2 S2. The impulse response of the system is At2 E2 TUT, Bt E2 TUT, Ct E2 TUT, Dt E2 TUT. The correct answer is Te2 TUT. In any two-port network, input impedance is independent of load impedance. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. Dielectric materials have high specific resistance. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. The resistance of a standard conductor A. increases with frequency. B. Same for AC and DC. C. increases with frequency. D. increases as square root of frequency. The correct answer is increases as square root of frequency. In a driving point function, the degrees of numerator and denominator polynomials in S may differ by either 0 or 1 only. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. The sum of two sine waves of different frequencies is a sine wave. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. When iron rod is magnetized by the flowing through its coil, the polarities of its different points will be A. Pole A is N pole, B is S pole, and C is neutral. B. A is N, B and C is S. C. A is N, C is S. D. A is S, C is neutral, B is N. The correct answer is pole A is N pole, B is S pole, and C is neutral. Steady state conditions are considered to be achieved in RL circuits at the end of time constant A1, B2, C4, D5. The correct answer is 5. Two impedances are connected in series. 3 voltmeters are connected, one across each impedance and one across combination. The readings of all the three are equal. The phase angle between voltages across the two impedances is A 30, B 60, C 90, D 120. The correct answer is 120. In a series resonant circuit, Q is more than 10. Then the lower half power frequency 1 and resonant frequency 0 are related as A10 bandwidth, B10 0.5 bandwidth, C10 0.5 bandwidth, D10 bandwidth. The correct answer is 100.5 bandwidth. In a series RL circuit, when excited by a 1-volt battery, the current is 180. If it is excited by a source 220, the current will be A 220 45 ET, B 220 45 ET, C 220 45 ET, D 220 45 ET. The correct answer is 220 45 ET. If R, L, C are in parallel, the currents through L and C are equal in magnitude at resonance. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. In all pure metals, temperature coefficient of resistance is positive. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true.